welcome to my channel. I'm Angela from artery.co.uk. I'm back with a very quick video again. This is basically just to show you how you can use your stamps to create your own patterned paper if you don't have any, or if you don't have any that you want and you want to make something custom, something original. This is the way to do it. You can use any size paper you want. I'm just using a small one. You can use any size stamps, any style stamp, any inks that you like. It's so simple. The only thing I do suggest you do is when you're making your background stamps, is when you're stamping, just to turn the stamp around, have a little bit hanging off the edges, just see what kind of effect you get. And if you do what I do and start off with small scraps of paper, then you can find out what's going to work for you and what isn't before you commit to your larger ones. So it's so simple. Just dip in your ink and print, and just keep turning your paper around. It turns your pattern around. And that's it. That's all you do, all over your paper. You can use more than one colour. You can use more than one stamp. You can just go wild. You can use any colour cardboard. Sorry, any colour cardstock. This is one I made, this is one I made on dark cardstock. I used a foliage stamp and just used a white ink, a really lovely white ink. Hues, I think it's called. I'll leave a link to it. And then I don't know if you can see, but these little yellow ones are butterflies. It's from the Distress Oxide Squeezed Lemonade. That's my latest Distress Oxide. And this is the Hues pigment ink white. Oh, it's just beautiful. So you won't be able to use your normal dye inks on here. You would have to use Distress Oxides or the white ink there, because it won't show on the dark card. But you do get a very grungy, sort of more subtle effect. I really like that. I think I will turn that into a card. And you don't have to use coloured stamps. You can colour your paper and then just use black ink. So all I did with this was just very quickly blended some ink on the card and then just used a stamp with black ink just all over. And the one finished card that I made, just for the sake of having something to show, was that. So I just used the same stamp and just stamped it in different colours all over, and then just put a few decorations on and a sentiment, and that's it. You don't really need to do anything magnificent, which is good in my case. But yeah, it's so simple. Anytime you want a background and you haven't a background stamp or a background die that you was, or you haven't any embossing folders, just make your own pattern paper. Easy as anything. That's all it takes. Told you it was going to be a quick video. I hope you enjoyed it anyway. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye now.